To save a web page for offline viewing in the Samsung Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app and then open a web page you like to access later without an internet connection. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap Add Page to, and then select Save Pages. To see how it works, turn off all internet connection. And then go back to the Samsung Internet app. Close all tabs and then open a new one. Next, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap Save Pages to see all pages you have saved before. Now tap the desired page to view it offline or without internet connection. Given to the function, saving web pages for offline viewing in the Samsung Internet app is a convenient way to keep access to articles, guides, or any important content when you are without internet, whether you are traveling in a low signal area or just want to save data. This feature ensures your essential information is always just a tap away. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.